Hi, I'm Mr. Hopok. I am your online U.S. government teacher. I just wanted to give you a feel for what Blackboard was like before we had our orientation. As you can see, we're starting off in the announcements page, and so I posted an announcement there that you will be able to see once you have access to the orientation. I'm sorry, to Blackboard. We could go to course materials, which has, as you can see, all of the different assignments that we have throughout the year. As we scroll down, we'll go through Unit 1 all the way down through Unit 9. There's plenty of work for us to be doing throughout the year. We can go, you'll have an online textbook. You'll also have a discussion board, and you will post discussion boards in here, and you would create a thread, and you could type in practice thread. And then you could say hi or whatever you wanted to say. You would have to answer a question on the discussion board, and you'd be required to respond to one person's post. For Blackboard Collaborate, you would click here, and actually you would see it like this. And so this would be a link to chats that we will have on Mondays. At exactly what time, I am at this moment not sure. I'm going to send you guys out a survey to let you know, so that it help me pick a time that's convenient for, well, I hope most of you. All of you would be great as well. Let's see, tools and grades. You can click here, and if you go to click on my grades right here, that will show you your grade book at any time. Teacher contact info is here. Syllabus is here, and the class outline is here, though for the most part you're not going to need that because we'll be using the course materials. We're going to go back to course materials because the bulk of the course is located in course materials. So when I click on Unit 1 topic assignments, I can go to, alright, so I have topic 1 reading questions. You'll be doing reading questions for this and answering them as you open it up. This will then allow you to answer all the questions that you have to read on Chapter 1. We're going to leave that page. Yes, we are. Alright. So you have a Chapter 1 quiz on vocabulary. It is an open note quiz. You will have a discussion board, which is I just showed you where you post that. And you will have assignments. And I will show you how you find all those things. And you also have a quiz that I didn't quite make fit into the window. If we click here on opening a new window, it will take us to the outline for topic 1. As it says topic 1 all the way up at the top, it's cut off a little bit. So the first thing you do is go to think about it first prompt. Think about it first prompt is here, and it asks you to read this and answer the question, and it says to post it as a discussion board. And because it says discussion board, that is your discussion board for that topic. Alright. And then after that, it outlines the next step is doing the reading questions, and I showed you where those were. It is also then the vocabulary quiz. The Illuminate chat, which is really the Collaborate chat that I showed you the link to earlier. And then because we are an honors class, we will be doing the honors tasks. And so when you click on honors tasks, it shows you essentially the different tasks. There's task 1 and there's task 2. This first one's about John Locke, and this next one is on types of government. And I can't quite fit it all on the screen. But it tells you to submit this as a discussion board post, and it tells you to submit this in the assignments folder. Okay. So where are these assignment folders? Well, we go back, and when we go to topic 1 assignments, you would click here. You can browse your computer, upload the assignment, and then in the end you click submit, which is at the very bottom. Actually, it's right up here at the top. If you have any questions on this, not a problem. I will answer any and all questions at the orientation. But I just wanted to give you a quick preview of what Blackboard looks like, because you can't access Blackboard until you have completed the tech class and completed the orientation. Alright, well, I hope that answers, at least gets you started on some of the things that we'll be doing this year in online government. Alright, hope you enjoy your last few days of freedom. Alright, after I watched that video, excellent video, I know, I noticed I made a mistake that I wanted to clarify on, because as you can see on the topics, it says there's task 1 and task 2. But you have to pay careful attention to how many assignments there are, because I didn't do that. And so there is this one assignment on John Locke, that is true. And there is this discussion board that is here. Again, that is true. But because there's numbers 1 and there's number 2 in task 2, you actually technically have 3 assignments, and the third assignment is to answer the questions in this Word document. Now, I know you don't have access to this yet, but I just wanted to point out that it is easy to make these mistakes, so I'm just encouraging you to double check, because I realized I made that mistake. Anyway, I know you're going to have tons of questions. Don't worry about it. We're going to work it out together, and feel free to ask me any questions you need at the orientation, or you'll have plenty of questions during the first week as well. All right. I hope that helps, and I will talk to you at orientation on Thursday.